about 4 fingers length, about that much, and then cut that carefully. Maybe you're having arroz and pollo for dinner. Ask for some of that uncooked rice. It's perfect for your hacky sack. I also find that beans work really good for your hacky sacks as well. With the sock that you've cut, you're then going to fill it with rice to a good size hacky sack. After you fill your hacky sack with a good amount of rice or beans, then it's time to seal it. So you're going to take your rubber band and just go around and around and around and around and around until it's super duper tight. You can even cut the extra aside. You're ready to go. Get super creative with your hacky sack. Have some fun. Remember, you cannot use your hands when you hacky sack. You can use your shoulders, arm, knees, head of course. Go for some good headers, right? But again, you want to make sure that it's sealed always. Maybe change the rubber band out every once in a while so that your rice doesn't leak out. But again, have fun hacky sacking.